creates patterns using artificial intelligence. Some of them may partially or entirely resemble real artisans' patterns. Many of the patterns have already been tested and worked really well. We hope you can expand your portfolio and find inspiration with the help of artificial intelligence. Get ready to take a screenshot or grab a pen and paper to save this amazing pattern and do a great job. Did you like the pattern? Subscribe to our channel to see many beautiful tutorials, and come back to let us know if your project turned out well. Your opinion is very important to us. See you soon.